Good afternoon, my name is Oscar with O&D General Contractor. Today is Sunday, March 17. We are in Hyattsville, Maryland, about to do a repair attend for home side. Before I do the repair attend, I'm gonna show you I'm gonna show you an overview of the roof. This is the front slope. We already tried to repair the shingle. This shingle right here, as you guys can see, we create some damages in the front because when we nail the shingle and lift the shingle a little bit, create the damages right there. So that's what it is right there, front slope. Some more damages in the front slope. Now let me take you to the back slope where we're gonna do another repair attend. It's missing some shingles, some creases. I got some help today that is gonna help me record this video. As you guys can see, more missing shingles in the back. All right, so stay with me while we try repair shingle in the back. This is the shingle that we're gonna try repair. So we count 1, 2, 3. It could be up to like right here or up to right there. We're about to find out. And to replace this shingle, we're gonna have to break the seal of the shingle above this one and that one right there. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3. problem that we have when we try to repair this shingle, the shingle being so old, so brittle, is that we create more damages above. Let's see the crease, 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 crease. And the problem is that since we broke the seal, when the wind comes, it's gonna lift this up, and after a couple windstorms, we're probably gonna have all this row of shingle right here that is gonna rip off, and then we're gonna have missing shingle flying in the lawn. That's the problem that we have when we try to repair shingles being so old and so brittle. Loosen some granule, you guys can see. I don't think this roof is repairable, in my opinion. Thank you.